Hi, I'm Rick, and after a series of bad IT solutions from major IT firms, I decided to expand my search circle and look for other alternatives to grow my business. And after searching for a while, I came across Angels Computer Consult, and I was literally blown away. Discovering how unique, amazing, experienced, and highly professional they are, I decided to engage their services. I had them design my website and produce explainer videos for my business, and the outcome was totally amazing. They helped me capture my target market, increase my conversion rate, and gave me the best IT experience.
Well, hello there, muggles. My name is Harry Potter, and I'm here today to tell you about maybe one of the greatest websites I've ever found on the internet. Yes, Harry Potter uses the internet. And that website is www.angelscomputerconsult.com. So, what exactly do these angels do? Well, they grant you wishes, magical wishes. They will build you the best and most affordable website for the cheapest prices. I'm starting to think that, as well as being angels, they're wizards as well. They're gonna put me out of a job. So if you're looking for a great website for your business or company or pretty much anything, head on over right now and you can save up to 30% off. What? And if you go over in the summer, which is right now, you can buy Angels' special purchase for the cheap price of $1,500. What more could you possibly want? Well, apart from a nice glass of butterbeer. So what are you waiting for? Swish your magic wand onto your computers and head on over to www.angelscomputerconsult.com. I've been Harry Potter. Expelliarmus!
Hi everyone! Did you know that your radio is the most important component in your audio system? Speakers and amplifiers can only replicate the signals they receive. At Stereo USA Plus California, we change the way you listen to music and how you look at car security.